every entrepreneur or person that wants to be an entrepreneur, it's really important that in order to get the idea to becoming a business is really a few steps that you need to do in order to make that happen. And what I see as a challenge or an obstacle for most entrepreneurs is that they don't really do the research and the due diligence in order to crystallize their idea so that it can form into a proper business plan, so that it can form into an actual business. And I think for the most part, everybody takes their ideas and then wants to start right out of the gates. And I think that for a successful business, I see is people that do the research, the due diligence, the understanding of certain things like what is the product that you're selling or the products or services that you're selling. What is the cost in order to produce that product or receive that product or that service? And then from there, what are your expenses in order to operate that business? And then from there, what is your potential profit that goes into your pocket? And a lot of those things aren't necessarily that difficult to do now in the age of technology, and just really spending some time in researching the marketplace. And what I would say to young entrepreneurs is before you even get to the stage where you actually build a business plan, you want to be able to do all of that research up front. So if I want to open up a salon or a restaurant, what I need to know is what is the actual average cost to either cut hair, a plate of food, depending on what segment of food you're in. And then what you want to figure out is based on that cost to prepare the food or to do the hair, what is the cost in order for that to happen? So if you're, say, for example, you're opening up a restaurant and you're selling a bucket of chicken. Well, what is that bucket of chicken costing you? And then what's the highest price that you could sell it for? And if you don't know those numbers in your marketplace, then how do you know exactly how much potential profit you're going to make? From that stage, you want to figure out what are your expenses to operate. And you do need labor. Do you need marketing? Do you need operating expenses related to a location? All of those factors play into what your actual expenses are going to be in order to reflect what you need in order to break even, what you need in order to make a profit. And I don't think enough young entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs in general take that step in order to figure it out.